The telematics control unit acts as the bridge between the internal and external systems in modern vehicles. Its primary function is to collect, process, and transmit data, enabling features like remote vehicle diagnostics, over-the-air software updates, real-time tracking, emergency services, and advanced driver assistance systems. With seamless connectivity through cellular networks like 4G, LTE, and upcoming 5G, as well as Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, the TCU allows vehicles to stay connected to the internet. This connectivity enables services like remote vehicle monitoring, remote control, and integration with smart home systems. Furthermore, the TCU plays a crucial role in enabling vehicle-to-vehicle and vehicle-to-infrastructure communication, paving the way for autonomous driving and smart traffic management.